Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to save your Notability notes across your iPhone and iPad, then this video is for you. For in this case, the iCloud can help you to send the same notes from Notability from your iPhone to iCloud or between those two devices. So make sure that you are connected with the same iCloud account or same Apple ID on the iPhone and iPad to send the Notability notes across the devices. Now, first you have to do is in the libraries you have to select you have to first enable the iCloud Sense in your Notability. So for that you have to go to the library, then select the gear icon, that is actually settings, then simply go to the connected service, then you can find iCloud Sensing. Now toggle iCloud Sensing on or off. In this case you have to turn it on. You have to toggle for on that or click on that for once to toggle it on. And if toggling iCloud says off, choose what to do with local copies of your notes. So keep on my device, your notes will remain on your device. If you would like to turn on iCloud sensing back on, ensure that you have the latest version of Notability, otherwise your notes may be duplicated. Now delete on my device. Your notes will be removed from your device, leaving an empty library. A copy of each note will remain in iCloud, so you can access that note anytime from your iCloud. So make sure that you have turned on your iCloud sensing on those devices and you are good to go. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.